the most important activity for them, the planting season. So imitating the movements of a swarming dragonfly in a form of dance is another way of telling the whole time about the silent kingdom. Yes, dragonflies
Okay, malikot pa, okay, malikot.
to the beach.
Manis, cramping.
Yang may kakakalayo mo po.
Teka lang, teka lang.
Again, palakpakan po natin sila.
Kuwain.
Okay, for this second dance form is what we call the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. So Itas believe that monkeys are excellent hunters in the wild and no other animals in the forest can match the abilities of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging. And this kind of dance is usually being performed by younger generation as a form of training for them while the elders out in the jungle searching or hunting for food. Again, monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy.
Zombie apocalypse.
Mga baliw mo na.
Okay, palakpakan po natin sila. Okay, pwede na natin for please no longer
Kaya ko rin gawin yun.
Never misunderstand
Napatag si
our
Bull pala, tingin dito eh. Ha?
Before sending them into actual battlefield, we will perform this ritual dance to ask guidance to their God called Abu
Tingnan-tingin sa akin, oh.
To lead them into a victorious fight or somehow resolve the
Kaya,
problem
talas pa
in the
naman yan,
situation.
no?
Again, war dance or the binabayani dance.
Bigla ka tutukan yun, no? Galab.
Okay, palakpakan po natin sila.
Ano mo, ano no?
This kind of short and humble presentation made especially for you by our native iPad. Okay, so for batch number 19, stay lang po tayo, mag-wait po tayo ng batch. And for the walking guests po, pwede na po kayo pumasok ng Serpentary. Magkalasitration niya po, Serpentary. Again, for batch number 19, stay lang po tayo.
Yun na yun. Tapos na.
Wala yan, kaya ni Binuyo yan.
Kaya ano, Bartola?